Make a great choice today with the 2024 Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is packed to the gills with luxurious features, yet retains the off-road prowess and rugged, durable nature it's known for. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, compass. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.